Yo, welcome back, guys. Gold has been one of my favorite pair recently. I mean, starting this year, gold has been my favorite. And then looking at the chart, we have this rejection candle right here, which is a very significant candle, meaning that price is about to trade bullish. And then what that means is that price is coming to fill in this void right here. And that is exactly what price is doing by creating all of this candle right here. Now, if you notice from the weekly time frame, we'll just talk about a little bit on the weekly time frame, then we jump straight to the 4-hour time frame. You see that this weekly candle traded below the previous week candle before expanding higher and then taking out the high of this weekly candle. Hopefully, we see if price is going to close even above that candle to fill in this guy completely. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. There's not much thing to look at on the daily time frame, so I'll just go straight to the 4-hour time frame. Even on the daily time frame, we have this rejection right here. Okay, so what I do be expecting price to do right now on the daily time frame is to drop to this zone or drop to this proportion block right here where we have where we started having this expansion, this massive expansion to take out that high right there. So from the 4-hour time frame, you can see that price has been creating series of higher low. Then we have this higher high right there. I think I'll just mark it out. We have this higher low, and then we have this higher high, and then we have this new low right there. I was expecting that price is going to close above this high, but that never happened. So it only means one thing, that price is going to retrace even deeper. Okay, so price is going to retrace deeper into this range right here before we can continue with the bullish momentum. And then if you look closely, the 50% of this whole range is seated within this proportion block we marked from the daily time frame. But I don't think if price is going to trade into this guy or this guy. So I will just watch the price reaction from this area and then this area as well. I'm just going to watch it closely and then hopefully price trade into that area as well. I was supposed to be on a sell on this trade, but price never got to my entry level. This was where I was expecting to short price from, something like this, from that order block. Stop loss just above that high, and then I'll be targeting this liquidity or the top of this high right there. So that would be like 1 ratio. That would be like 1:2.6, because I'm not expecting price to trade above this candle right there. And then if price actually did that, then it means that even if my stop loss is above, price is definitely going to take me out of the market. So I missed that entry, but I still caught another entry on EU, which I'm currently watching with the same pattern. And then if you have noticed recently, EU and gold have been moving in line with each other, although sometimes gold is much more faster. But if they're bullish, they're bullish. If they're bearish, they're bearish. Now you can see we have that similar stuff right here. You can see this other block, this engulfing bearish candle, engulfing all of this previous bullish candle, and then we are retracing higher. We are retracing lower, and then my target is just all of this liquidity you see right here. I am not even targeting 50% of this whole range, which is right here. So I just put my stop loss at the low of the draw on liquidity right here. Then you can see it's almost 1:4 right there, but this is 3.8. I also shared that on the group. Look at it. This is the signal, and then
So guys, we got that.
start the trade.